I'm Sachi. I took AI programming with Python scholarship sponsored by Udacity and AWS. I'm a student. I'm studying computer science. Before coming into computer science, I'd always loved architecture. When I heard that using AI, you could combine that interest with what I was currently studying, that increased my interest in getting to learn machine learning and deep learning. So the scholarship definitely helped me in many ways. I was able to use all of that insight in my own computer science degree and strengthen my basics further. I was able to use the project that I made and add it to my resume. I was able to make connections in that platform, and I definitely loved hearing about the all the sessions that we had with experienced professionals and how their life is going, and to see what would actually it feels like to be an AI researcher. Like taking an online course, I always feel like has like you can take it, but finishing it has a lot to do with time management in general, because normally people have something else going on. They wouldn't just be completely free, so you would have to manage your time accordingly. However, you should know that in Udacity, what I've noticed is that if you have any trouble, you can contact people. It was a very wholesome learning experience. I am more sure about my future now and the path that I will be pursuing.